today we're doing some priming. We're priming these walls, the ceiling, and we're gonna have them come back in tomorrow and do some fine sanding, and then we'll paint them. There's our fan, because we definitely need it. And there's our primer. Keels to latex. So that's what we're putting on today. But there's Samantha. She can't get that off. I don't know what she's trying to do, but look. We've got floor in our bathroom. There's the shower base, that tile, and we've got the same tile work coming up here. This is going to look this is going to look pretty good. So yeah, so they'll finish this tomorrow. We will get the primer on the wall tonight before we leave. Turn this light on here. We'll get the primer on these walls and the ceiling. And then come back tomorrow with some paint. And then it's on to baseboard. Yay. And then putting up, well, actually buying a toilet. We don't have a toilet yet. But then putting up the sink and the light and the mirror and ordering the glass for this and putting up our doors, interior doors, and then just cleaning. Oh yeah, and then they're gonna put the floors down. And there's our floor. You can't really tell much because it's covered in sheetrock dust.
Yeah, there's like so much dust.
But that's our floor there. That's going to be glued down. Probably Thursday.
Yeah.
Thursday, Friday, wrap up Friday. We'll be getting closer to move-in ready. That's where we're at. Uh-oh. So the people we hired to do the sheetrock and the floor in the bathroom just left. And I will give you guys a tour of how it looks, because it looks freaking spectacular, in my opinion.
Yeah.
So I'll kind of show you where we're at today.
Yeah, it's still work in progress.
Yeah, we're still doing some painting, or at least the first coat of paint and all that good stuff. But yeah, so far, pleased. So first off, bathroom. That's it right there. And it looks spectacular.
I'm scared to walk in here.
Nice, thin, grout lines. And then the floors. Here's our floors. Hard to see. Get a little bit closer. It's kind of dirty right there, but it's bamboo flooring, which is going to go good with the color of our wall, which is a grayish wall. So that's where we're at now. We are fixing to put some paper down so we don't ruin our floors before we move in. And it's a good example right here of kind of what the walls will look like. Alright, so it's been over a week since I've updated this video because I've been out of town over on the East Coast. But we're back, and while I was gone, Samantha started painting the cabinets. We're going with white cabinets, and she's done a fantastic job, I would say. We got some more stuff over here. I think she's putting another coat of white paint on the drawers there. And then the doors, we've not had very much luck with the doors, so we're going to bring those to our neighbor who is a cabinet maker, and he's going to spray them white for us. So that's nice. But we have finished painting. There's a little bit of touch-up paint here on the ceiling that we've got to do. But today we put all of this in here. Looks nice. And then later tonight, Samantha's going to help me put that there, right there. And then also today I put up the 2 interior bedroom doors. Ta-da! Go in here and close. So very nice. I'll scoot back so you can see the door. Like the handles that she picked out. Very similar to our other hardware we're gonna have in here. And then there's the other door there. We have put our other house on the market. It's been on the market for a few days now. We've had a visit and some other people wanting to come visit, so it's really slowed down the amount of time we're at the new house to get things done. But I'll give you a quick tour of where we're at right now. Okay, so I don't remember if the last time I videoed, we've got the sink up and the faucet, the mirror, and the little light. So, but I think we're changing this mirror out to something more rectangle. But that's that. Pretty nice. I thought it came out nice. So I've got some plumbing to redo under here to line it up with that, which I got to cut in from the back side. And then we are going to pick out a toilet this week, hopefully get it installed, get the glass ordered, and then I've got to install the shower head here and then get under the house and get this fixed where the drain is, because they had to cut it loose when they put that in there. And then some small touch-up paint. We've got to finish painting around that and then touch up here, and we'll be good to finalize everything in here. And then this is our hardware for our doors that's going to go over our closets and our bathroom. So, and then also we've got the ceiling fans installed. There's a ceiling fan in the master bedroom and the exact ceiling fan in McAllister's bedroom. And just having these in here has helped out a lot with the heat, because it is, oh man, it is still blazing hot and humid here in North Mississippi. But where we're at right now is we're ordering some, or not ordering, we're just gonna go by and pick up some some outlet covers, the double square ones, and then just the regular singles all throughout the house, and then for those there. And then the trim work, we're going to start trying to do more of the trim work this coming up week. Hopefully start tomorrow, really, I hope. And then Tuesday, our mini split air conditioner is going in right there. So there's 1 box, 2 box, and the 3rd box right there. So I'm excited about that. And then that's our sink. We did get our countertops ordered this week, so maybe next week they'll be in.